Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be doing these super simple decorative orbs. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for this project, you'll need embroidery hoops, tacks, wood stain, gloves, and a towel. Okay, first you want to start with your embroidery hoops. When you go to the store to purchase these, you want to purchase 2 sets. Each set comes with 2. You're going to need at least 3 embroidery hoops to get the look that we're going for. Also, when purchasing your embroidery hoops, you want to buy 2 sets of the same size. So, when you separate them, you'll have 3 embroidery hoops the same exact size, which means you'll have 1 left over. So to start off, you want to go ahead and stain your hoops, whichever color you choose. The color I decided to go with was a dark walnut. When working with wood stain, you want to make sure that you put down something that'll protect the area that you're working in, like a towel or a plastic bag. You want to also make sure that you are wearing gloves and that you're in a well ventilated area. When you purchase your embroidery hoops, you want to make sure that you purchase 2 different sizes. So you will have a set of 2 with 2 different sizes. So next, after you've stained the larger size, you want to move on to the smaller size and stain 3 embroidery hoops of the smaller size. Also, you want to make sure that the one that you're staining is the one with that little hook on it, because that's going to be used to tighten the hoops once we're done. Once I finished staining the smaller set, I went back and I put a second coat of stain on each hoop. Once you have each hoop stained, you want to take 3 of the same size hoops and assemble them together like so. Once you have them all assembled, you then want to take the little pin at the top and screw that in as tightly as you can, like you see here. Once you have that screwed in, I would recommend adding a little hot glue or a little E6000 glue right underneath just to hold it together a little bit more securely. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't it so cute so far? So next you want to get your tacks and you're going to put a tack at the bottom of the orb. I also put one on the inside of the top just to hold it together. You have that complete, you want to do the exact same steps for your smaller one. And there you have it, guys. These are your decorative orbs made with embroidery hoops. I really do hope that you like this project. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you really like it, hit that notification bell so that way every time I post a video, you will be notified. Thank you again for watching. Talk to you soon.